In this video, we are going to see how to visualize a regression line. An effective way to see a relationship in a data is to display the information as a scatter plot. It shows how two variables, the x variable, which is the explanatory variable, and the y variable, which is the response variable, relate to each other by showing how closely the data points fit the line called the line of best fit. So we must understand how to fit a line which will fit the whole data. So in this video, we are going to visualize the method of approximating the line of best fit. This is the procedure used in statistics to develop linear model. Let us try to determine the straight line that best fits the points 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, and 5, 6. And all these points are plotted here with an x-axis and a y-axis. And for the data, what we have plotted here, we are trying to fit the line of best fit. So if we are trying to guess the result, maybe let us try the line y equals 0.5 plus x, which is this white line what we are getting, where the slope is 1 and the intercept is 0.5. This seems to be a good choice for the line of best fit. But if we are trying to find the better choice for the line of best fit, let us approximate this to be the line y1 is equivalent to mx1 plus c, where m is the slope and c is the intercept. So when we are trying to get the line of best fit, it looks like the white line what we have here will be the line of best fit, for which the slope is m equal to 1.7 and 1.2 and the intercept is negative 0.2. So the line what we see here, the white line what we see here is the line of best fit. So when we have the line, the set of points given here, we prefer guess a line, and then we are trying to fit the line with the point whatever is given. Let us take the next guess. So in this, let us assume that the points are already plotted. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 4, 4 are already plotted. And we know that the line y equal to negative 1.2x minus 0.2 is the line what we got from the previous one. But if we are trying to get a line g equal to 1.2x, which is the red line, that is also a line which is closer to the yellow line. So among these two, the line what we have here is 1.2x minus 0.2, the red one and the yellow one. We would like to know which one is the best fit. So in order to guess, in order to compare these values, with the one what we had earlier and the one what we have now, let us see, we can prepare a table, and then using the table we can guess which is the line of best fit. So far we have got three different lines. Let's call that as three different models. The model 1 is f of x as 0.5 plus x. Model 2 was 1.2x minus 0.2. And the third one, what we got was f of x equal to 1.2x. So we are trying to check which model is the best fit. In order to find which one is the best fit, we have to find the errors of these. The error is nothing but the difference between yi, which is that 1, 2, 4, 4, 6, and this corresponding f of xi, and square it, sum it up. So we are trying to find the sum of the squares of these errors for each model. For model 1, it was 1.5 plus x is the sum is 1.25. And for model 2, which is f of x equal to 1.2x, the sum of squares of these errors was 1.00. And for the model 3, the sum of squares of these errors is 0.8. In these three cases, we are trying to find the difference between the yi value, the actual yi value, and the expected f of xi. Square it and sum it up. So when we compare these three values, the minimum is 0.8. So the minimum value what we have here, that line will be the line of best fit. That is, among these three, f of x equal to 1.2x minus 0.2 is the line of best fit. We saw that 0.5 plus x is a good fit, and 1.2x was better, and the best fit is 1.2x minus 0.2 because for this model, model 3, the sum of the squares of this error is minimum. So when we are trying to fit a regression line, of all the linear models for a given set of points, the model that has the best fit is defined to be the one that minimizes the sum of the squared error as we saw in that previous table. And that model is called the least square regression line. And the procedure for finding this least square regression line is called the method of least squares. So this video helped us to understand how to get a regression line using the method of least squares, and hope this video was helpful. Thank you for listening and thank you for watching.